Well, hello there, and thank you for stopping by my channel today. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. Well, if you were ever wondering where the name Fun Fitness Adventures came from, well, it's actually a combination of two of my most favorite things. The first is helping people be the best version of themselves by looking and feeling better just by getting moving. And the second, well, that's going on cruises. So here's a little taste of what you can expect here on my channel. I hope you enjoy watching. Until I see you again, have a beautiful day, have a beautiful week, and I will see you soon.
Hey! Woo! Nice job!
Okay.
All right, Lorraine, there you go. You have a lot of cheerleaders here today.
All right, you can do it.
Woo! Couple of more seconds. Get ready for that victory. Yes! That's it! Woo! 2 minutes complete!
Oh, my arms are killing me.
50. 50?
Yes!
Take time to love what you do. Take time to do what you know. Take time to live your life. Live your life. Take time to live. Take time to live. Take time to give. Take time. Oh, listen to what I'm saying. Take time to live. Oh, take time to live. Take time to give. Take time. Listen to what I'm saying.
Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Captain here. If you look out on the port side there, we have some whales and some dolphins and a little bit of everything here and there.
Oh, look at them. Oh my God.
Hold on, girl. I see you never give up. Keep on pushing through. The hoops faded colors cracked and glowed. Strong and flowing like water's blue. And no words needed. Just waited. Hoops feel that bass drum beating. And you amaze me how you don't let anyone get in your way.
When the hula hoop is not enough, you get on the Pilates machine.
Pilates. Keep working those abs.
We realize love is precious and few in the end. We know life can change in a moment. And just like that, you could be gone.
So I'm excited to start this 6-month series with all of you, the Getting Ready For series. Whatever it is you're getting ready for. For me, it's my cruise, my family cruise. It may be a family vacation for you as well. There'll be workouts that we do together, some clean eating ideas, some stress reducing ideas, because that all plays a role in the benefits that you get and the results you get. Thank you so much for all the support, all the encouragement that you've shown us here. And I'm so looking forward to many more ideas, workouts, and success stories with you. Let's do this together. 7, I know it may feel challenging right now, but keep going. That's 8. You're gonna get stronger each time you do this with me. 1 more, and rest. You're doing amazing. 8, 9, 1 more, and 10. Great job, everyone.